I've been pushing work all summer.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a quick review. I did the collagen Neocell Super Collagen Challenge. I did that for 30 days, continuously using it, and I wanted to chime in with my results. Guys, after 30 days of collagen supplement, the Neocell, I must admit this time around I did not have any breakouts in my skin. I did not have any rashes or any itching or irritation. I must admit my skin thrived. What I noticed was in these short 30 days, I did notice that my skin was more glowy. It just was glowing, and as you can see guys, it's still glowing. All I have on my face is a little bit of blush today and a little bit of lipstick, and I noticed that my skin is just glowing. I haven't noticed anything as far as hair growth, because I was not monitoring my hair growth. And as far as nail growth, I would say my nail grew a little faster than normal, but overall this time around, these 30 days of super collagen, the Neocell Super Collagen, I must admit it was great. And if you did not follow me on my 30-day journey, I would highly recommend that you go back and take a quick look at that video, and you will see the way I used it and how I made the change this time around from the previous time. Well guys, that's it. I just wanted to pop on in and let you all know I finished my 30-day challenge, and I just had to give you my results. So if you are like on the market trying to find some collagen and you are considering this Super Collagen Neocell, I say go for it, give it a try. If you follow my challenge, then you know that I use the powdered form of it, and if you have not followed the challenge, go back, check that video out and see how I use it and how I made a difference in my skin. That's it guys, thanks for tuning, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Guys, remember, life is what you make of it, always has been, always will be. Mwah! Switches until next time, ciao.